the end times, the love of many will grow cold. You don't want your heart to grow cold in these end times. The only way for you to avoid this is by anchoring yourself in the Word of God as enshrined in the Bible. That's why on this channel, we have prepared a 4-part mini-series to help you understand the Bible better even as you prepare to study the Word of God. Welcome to Systematic Theology, your favorite Christian YouTuber. On this channel, we spread the Word of God to the world. You can help us to do this by subscribing to the channel and liking this video. In this mini-series, we will look at the 7 wonders of the Bible, the 7 symbols used to describe the Word of God, the 7 things that the Word of God does when we preach it, and the 6 things you need to remember while reading the Bible. The Bible is a gift from God to man. There are many books on earth, but only one book is referred to as the book, and that is God's written word, the Bible. The Bible is the oldest book in existence. It took 1,600 years to write it, and the first writer died 1,450 years before the last writer was born. The Bible has been translated into more than 1,000 languages and dialects. The Bible will be the standard of judgment on the last day, according to John 12, verse 48. Before we get into this series coming up, read with me Jeremiah chapter 20, verse 9. But if I say, I will not mention his word or speak any more in his name, his word is in my heart like a fire shut up in my bones. I am weary of holding it in. Indeed, I cannot. Remember to subscribe to our channel and to turn on the bell notification below. While you're down there, like this video and tell us in the comment section below which topics you'd like us to cover. Coming up on your screen now is part 1 of the mini-series. Take a look. Be blessed.